Hey everyone! If you're experiencing FPS drops or stuttering in League of Legends, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to improve your FPS and make the game run smoother. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open the Windows search. Type League of Legends. Right-click the game. Then click Open File Location. Right-click the shortcut and select Open File Location again. Go back to the Riot Games folder. Open the League of Legends folder. Then open the game folder. Right-click League of Legends.exe. Click Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable/disable full-screen optimizations. Click Change High DPI settings. Enable Override High DPI scaling behavior. Click OK. Then click Apply. And click OK. Now launch the League of Legends client. Click the settings icon in the top right corner. Select General. Under the Interface section, Enable Low Spec Mode. Disable interactive background effects. Enable Close Client during game. Then click Done. Now start a custom game. Press Escape. Open the Video tab. Set window mode to full screen. Enable Hide Eye Candy. Disable Screen Shake. Open the Graphics tab. Set character quality to very low. Set effects quality to very low. Set environment quality to very low. Set shadow quality to off. Open the Advanced tab. Disable anti-aliasing. Disable wait for vertical sync. Close the settings. Your FPS should now be more stable, and the game should run much smoother. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having FPS drops, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.